Good evening, and welcome to Crypto Alternative, where we like to talk about crypto coins, bitcoins, and all things cryptocurrencies. Alright, so today I'd like to talk a little bit about some BURSTcoin. I'm not holding very much. It used to be a 1 right here. I have a lot more in the Burst platform. I'm not logging into my Burst wallet right now and stuff though. But I can do something for you. I can show you that Burst always does this ladder shit because of the people that use Burst. I know, they're all traders. A lot of them are market movers. Look at this. So volatile. Up and down. I've made a lot of money in and out of here. Price averaging with my MACD charts. I would like to show you more about the MACD charts. But first, let's talk about WCX. Oh, and Burst is proof of capacity coin. It uses hard drives. If you'd like to see some hard drives, I'm going to show you a few more types of hard drives real quick. No, I'm going to close the camera, all that good stuff. Okay. Right here we have external hard drive. This is my Hitachi 3 terabytes. I don't know if you can read it, but I'm trying. It says 3,000 or 3 terabytes right there. Zoom in, don't zoom in. Couple 3 terabyte hard drives. These are external 7200 RPM hard drives right here. These can mine Burst really well, actually. I'd start to say 2 to 3 terabytes is like the minimum you really want to start with. And anytime you upgrade, you probably want to be buying 2 to 3 terabyte upgrades at all times. I also have a 320. This is a very light hard. That's very light. I'm about to buy a 2 hard drive bay. Turn 2 3 terabytes into miners, and eventually build a new machine and switch one of those out for one of these. Or a 4 terabyte bay and use my laptop hard drive. Much slower in speed, but it will still mine Burst. And I'll have 4 slots if I use this. This right here is almost a terabyte. I also like to use these. I have 3 of these. A terabyte one, a 1.5 terabyte one, and a 700 megabyte one, which I don't mind with, actually. That's for my blockchains. I store all my blockchains and wallets on that one. Because something like Bitcoin takes up a few hundred gigabytes, 100 gigabytes. This is an external. My Passport WD. This is the 700. It is not mining. Alright. I also own this GTX 760. I wish this was mining. But it hardly breaks even on power, and I'm working currently on a way to hook this laptop up to my 760 because it is very possible. Oh, it's a pain to get this one out, but I'm doing it. Oh no, it isn't. See this laptop right here? It's already opened on bottom, so I can show you. I'm gonna do this real quick because this is not. I'm not working on the page. And I'm gonna redo the 760s. $760 is gonna mine with that. Cha-ching. That's a nice smooth fan we got there. That can plug right into this little mini PCI port. And if it's not that port, then underneath here is a port. I think it's this one. We've got another hard drive we can set up right there for power. Oh. This is running Linux. Unfortunately, I tried to use the Windows key, and they were like, HP gave you that. We're not going to give you a key. You need to call HP. No free Windows for you. HP gives it to you. Well, I didn't deal with that. So Linux, it was installed quickly. It usually runs Miner's Gate because, I mean, a lot of people are going to say Miner's Gate is not very much profit, and you're right. But I do expect almost all cryptocurrencies to double in price in the future, like they've already done. Few of them fell off the market, but Monero's not falling off the market. That'll definitely mine me some Monero and merge mine some digital note, which has its spikes, and I sell it during the spikes. Alright. I use these. I have 5 of these. I have the laptop you're seeing now, which has a 960 GTX 960M in it. That actually mines me about 35 to 40 cents in Bitcoin a day and costs me about 15 to 20, so I'll take it. My 10 kilowatt an hour power, though. 10 kilowatt an hour is kind of expensive. I'm digging it. Just being able to get the coin, because I think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin one day. First stop, 10K, though. We have to get to 10K next. 5K is a lot of people saying, I'm not worried about 5K. Come on, that's not even fucking 20% at this point. So, 15%, great. I like it. I'd like to earn it, but I don't have a bunch of Bitcoin. I didn't start early. I'm still working on my freaking 0.1 Bitcoin right now. Give me a break. I got some Litecoin. I got 0.2, I think. I got about 10,000 BURSTcoin or more. Something like that. Multiple mining accounts. I got a laptop over here mining. I got a laptop in there mining and bursting. 2.5, 3 terabytes, 3 something, I think. So I got 4 laptops, CPUs going. They're all i5s. One's an i7. I got 5 phones, about 10 hashes each. So that is about 50 hashes, which is as much as one of these computer CPUs. Some of these only do about 30 and 40 hashes. The i5, so one of the i5 does 50. It's a Core i5. The i7 does 60. And the GTX does like 300. Sometimes it used to do kilowatts. I don't know what happened. Used to be able to get like 60 kilohashes out of it. Kilowatts. Whew. Kilohashes. But I don't know. I liked when I would do 60, but maybe the difficulty's gone up. Everything I haven't really checked and all that. I don't care. My computers are on so much that if they're not mining, then I'm wasting them anyways. And I also want to try that friggin' PPD stuff. That CureCoin mining, that clouds folding. That's the one. But anyways, here, we're going to talk about this WCX, Global Low-Cost Digital Currency Exchange. And it begins on October 1st, so it's coming up soon, people. 50. When a friend signs up with your link, you get 50. That's the truth. So use this link and then make your own videos and use those links. And go to screencast-o-matic.com to make the videos. I can actually put the link to that down there, my referral link. I'm not trying to get referral links so I can get a free program. I want the referral links for this because that means someone else is using it and this will make you money. This will make us all money, but it requires everybody together to make it happen. That's what I'm talking about, people. This is an exchange right here, 15% bonus, and they get... Oh wait, you get a 15% bonus when you buy it for using my link. So it is helping you in that way. Make money. If you really want to know what this means, I'm gonna go down and show you a few really important things about this. When you have 10 of these, it equals $1 US, and they start you out at the IC price. They give you 50 for doing this. 50. That's $5. Jump on it, man. And it makes you a token holder, so you're entitled to a portion of WCX's revenues. This is going to be a people's a people's exchange. Like, we fund the fact that it works. We're encouraging the platform by using it and owning the tokens. You make money because the platform becomes worth more money. They're like the token. They're like the stock of the company. That's how they are. They're like stocks. When the company does better, they end up worth more money. That's literally what they are. They're just made digitally, and they're not made and regulated by the government so much. People are able to do it without as many restrictions, so we can make things happen in the world faster. Things that we need to happen. Like, I'm going to show you some ICOs and some people that are truly working in this world that I believe in. I want to promote them. I want my page to grow so much because I believe in so much of this shit. And I'm not promoting all these little bitty sites. Don't invest in that shit unless you're a gambler. Those are gambling sites. And this is me. This is what I want. This is what I really want to see. You want to see something feasible? Get 5 friends, 250 tokens. We're going to say in 1 month you'll make $1 a month if the market is only at 1 billion cap. Their site says 250, 500, 1 billion. I like to be a little crazy because I think that the cap of the market's going to double by 18 by Christmas, and I like to go to 10. And think that I'm going to make $15 a month if I am able to get these 5 people. That's all I want. 5 friends to join so that they can make the 50 tokens and that they can get $1 a month. Look, let's go back to 50 here. It'll be like 250, I think. Oh, 3. Yeah, 5 and 3 and 15, and that's pretty sweet. So, what can you say? You get 1,000 of these. You happen to get 1,000 of these. Bam, $60 a month. 6 for 100. 2 people. $6 a month. They say they're the lowest. Forget about it in a couple. Who knows? Teeny fees, though. You can use the exchange. It's pretty secure. Customer funds are going to be kept in cold storage offline. It's going to be segregated so that there's going to be lots of security in between. Unified Powerful Trading Dashboard means it feels fast, fluid, and intuitive on desktop and mobile because they're going to, obviously, that's the world today. There's like 90% mobile, 10% PC now. Like, come on. And it's built for scale. Engine by Wall Street veterans. Field tested for 3 years, relaying over 1 million transactions per second without hiccups. That is their goal. I mean, come on. Why not invest in a sweet platform that we all, IBM, Apple, decades of experience, distributed over massive volumes. This is where it's at. Beta launch is going to be on September 1st. I'm jumping on this one, and I'm trading on this platform. I'm going to the top on this one. Sorry, guys. I want to learn it, and I want to ride it like a wave. You want to join me? Check out the link in my video. Click this. Please use this referral link. I'm going to tweet it. I'm going to tweet it out right now. I'm going to follow the WX because I already thought I was. Cool. Thanks for watching, people. I enjoy it. Like and subscribe to this stuff. It's all about cryptocurrencies here, man. We're going to make some serious money together. I got my boy Peter over at the Bite-Size Bitcoin doing good things, man. Good things. You should check him out. I'm going to tell you BitLake was down earlier, but I'm going to prove right now that I can get in. And you're going to see this, and you're going to go, oh, I want in too, because it's so good. Let's sign out and sign in just because I got zero. I got this referred user. I got zero money there. You see, I've made no earnings. It's not about that. Just sign up and make money. Use my link if you're cool. Or maybe I'll use your link. I haven't got a chance to use anybody's links yet. Got 1 referred user since I started making videos, and that's cool and all. I don't care. They haven't asked for me to refer them back, and I haven't had a link to be able to do it. But I would totally do it. Seriously. So, just check it out. BitLake. Next.